What's up? Matt here from Archfab. What you are looking at there is a fine specimen of a Lancia beta, which has rusted away just like most of them do. And this is Mark next door. He specialises in these cars and restores them and breaks them up for parts and sends them all over the place. So this one came in and I spotted that it had a genuine Momo steering wheel, which I thought would be good in the Mini, but after sort of looking at it a bit closer, it was not in very good condition, looking pretty rough and worn out. But I thought I would take it off, take it next door to Kieran at Revive Detailing and see if he could bring it back to life. Yeah, as you can see, it's a genuine wheel, but it's had a lot of use and it's faded in the sun. It kind of looked like the suede had almost sort of worn through on the bits where your hands would sit, but it is a genuine wheel, so worth seeing if we could tidy it up. Kieran looked at it and thought he could get it looking like brand new, so he started off just by getting some detergent into it, and he buys these bottles just so everyone knows that he is a pro. So he just started with a soft brush just to work the detergent in to get it to actually soak into it. And you can see how much grime came off just from doing that. And then this was kind of the key to getting the texture back to the suede, which was to use a stiff brush to try and fluff it back up, and it even the areas that looked like the suede was almost worn through, this worked really well to get it looking good again. So then all the detergent was rinsed out, and then it was just set up to fully dry out, and once it was dry it did dull off again, went back to its sort of browny colour. So this is some carpet dye that he uses to dye obviously carpets that have faded in the sun and stuff. This pretty much got it looking good as new again once it dried. The dye did seep under the masking tape and it lifted the little yellow logo off. So he had some red paint, didn't have any yellow, so just touched that back in with red and then put a red band around the top of it. So I now have a custom Momo wheel which will look really good in the Mini. Looks, I'd say, almost good as new. I think you'll all agree that that is definitely a job well done. So if you are in the South Devon area and looking for someone to do some detailing, then definitely give Kieran at Revive Detailing a shout. I will put his details in the description box below. The raffle for the welding gear ends this Sunday, 14th of August at 7 p.m. I've currently sold 295 tickets. I will post the winner on Instagram, on Facebook shortly after the draw on Sunday night. So good luck to everyone who's got a ticket. And if you do want to have a go, the details are in the description box below. That's going to be it for this one. Cheers for watching. See you on the next one.